Show. Today, we'll be discussing a topic which is about what does modern hero mean. Please welcome Mr. Martina. We will both discuss this topic.
Good afternoon, everyone. First, people in Judea have some questions they would like to ask us about. First question is, what does hero mean to you? Well, a hero will stand up against injustice, make personal sacrifice to help others, or overcome significant challenges or achieve something remarkable. They don't always have possess human powers. Well, sometimes every day, an act of kindness, bravery or resilience makes someone a hero. Well, for you, Mr. Peter, what does a hero?
Well, a modern hero for me is someone who demonstrates courage by standing up for what is right, empathy by understanding and helping others, resilience by overcoming challenges, integrity by staying to their values, service by putting others first, adaptability by addressing modern challenges, and vision by working toward a better future.
Well, these are some examples of modern heroes nowadays. Firstly, is firefighters. Do you recognize firefighters, Mr. P?
Well, firefighters for me are a firefighter's job is to protect lives, property, and the environment by responding to emergencies involving fires, hazardous materials, and other dangerous situations. They are responsible for extinguishing fire, rescuing people and animals, providing emergency medical care, and educating the public about fire prevention and safety. Firefighters often work in challenging and dangerous conditions to ensure the safety of their community.
Well, for this today's podcast show, we have a final question. How can firefighters and policemen be helpful in the society as a modern hero? Well, firefighters and policemen are modern heroes because they risk their life to protect people, maintain safety, and serve community.
Silk Sonic.